Welcome all of you to this SWAYAM program. Today we are entering to week 7 sessions. In the week 7, we're starting with the topic Introduction to Social Networking in Libraries. As you all are aware, nowadays social media being used extensively for different purposes, including communication. The social media has become a powerful tool in modern communication, transforming how information is shared and accessed. Libraries, as a hubs of knowledge and community engagement, are increasingly leveraging social media platforms to connect with users, promote their services, and expand their research activities. The integration of social media into libraries offers numerous opportunities such as enhancing user engagement, sharing updates about collections and events, and fostering interactive learning environments. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, etc., enable libraries to connect with diverse audiences from local communities to global networks. By using social media, libraries are not just promoting their resources, but also creating dynamic spaces for discussions, collaborations, and feedback. This topic explores the various ways libraries are adopting social media, the benefits it brings, and the challenges they face in the digital age. So, this is today's agenda. We will be discussing about what is social networking and some history part of social networking and what are different benefits of social networking and the social networking platforms being used by libraries to promote their services. So, just as we discussed, libraries are now utilizing social networking platforms as a novel technological approach to connect with their patrons. This digital innovation has transformed the way our services operate and deliver better services to the users across all the sectors. These online platforms exemplify how internet based technologies are revolutionizing information access and dissemination, making the process more interactive and pleasurable. The governance of social networking sites may vary, with some adhering to specific editorial guidelines, while others are entirely user controlled. Now let us discuss about what are different definitions given by different authors. Boy and Ellison in 2007, they defined social networking as, quote, web-based services that allow individuals to construct a public or semi-public profile within a bounded system, articulate a list of other users with whom they share a connection, and view and traverse their list of connections and those made by others within the system, unquote. And Merriam-Webster defined social networking as, quote, the creation and maintenance of personal and business relationship, especially online, unquote. So these are some definitions. You'll find more definition in various books and online databases. Learners, now let us discuss some historical part of social networking. In 1997, there is a launch of 6degree.com, the first recognizable social networking site allowing profile creation, friend list, and browsing connections. In the next year, 1998, 6degrees.com adds the ability to serve friends list. But despite millions of users, the platform closes in the year 2000, deemed ahead of its time. And in 1999, we witnessed the launch of LiveJournal with one directional connections to follow journals and manage privacy settings. The Cyworld starts in Korea as a virtual world platform. Asian Avenue, Black Planet, MyGentle allows users to create profiles and publicly identify friends without approval. And in 2000, and in the year 2000, lunar storm ensued and transmissions to social networking sites with the friends list, guest books, and diaries. Shuts, and in the same year, we also witnessed the shuts down of 6 degrees. And we can also have a quick look of other historical development of social media networking. In 2001, there is a launch of Rise.com to support business networking. And in 2003, we had an explosion of social networking sites like MySpace, Friendster, LinkedIn has become professional success. And the MySpace gains popularity in the year 2004 among inside bands and teenagers. And in 2005, News Corporation purchases MySpace for the $550 million. And in the same year, we witnessed another important launching of social networking, that is YouTube. In 2006, again, we'll have another major developments in the field of social networking, like Orkut in Brazil and India, Mixi in Japan, and Hives in Netherlands. They have become popular. And QQ in China became the largest SNS by integrating profiles and visible friends. In 2007, another major development, that is Facebook, begin gaining the traction globally, driven by their open registration and unique features like newsfeed. And in 2009, Facebook surpasses MySpace in global users, become the dominant social networking site. In 2010, there is a launch of Instagram, a photo sharing social networking site, later acquired by Facebook in 2012. In 2011, the Google Plus launches, but struggled to compete with the Facebook and Twitter. The same year, Snapchat also introduced, with disappearing messages and multimedia sharing. In 2012, the Facebook reaches 1 billion active users. In 2015, platforms like Pinterest and WhatsApp gain traction as SNS diversity. In 2016, TikTok, launched as Douyin in China, becomes a global sensation after merging with the Musical.ly in 2018. In social media begins interacting artificial intelligence and algorithms for personalized content delivery during the year 2016. And 2018, we have data privacy concerns dominate headlines with Facebook's Cambridge Analytica scandal. And we will find in 2020, social media usage surges due to the COVID-19 pandemic, with the platform like Zoom and Clubhouse gaining popularity in the virtual interaction. So learners, these are the some historical background of the social networking sites. Now let us see what are the benefits of social networking in libraries. Dear learners, now let us discuss some of the benefits of social networking application in libraries. Social networking application libraries will help to improve our communication and outreach. Social networking application libraries will automatically improve the communication and outreach. The social networking platforms allow libraries to communicate directly with their user base in real time and providing updates on various events, services, and new acquisitions of books and journals, and the changes in the policy matters of the library. They facilitate engagement with diverse user groups, including students, researchers, staff, and the general public. Another benefit is this will enhance the user engagement. The libraries can create interactive content such as polls, Q&A sessions, live discussions, promoting greater interaction between library and its patrons. And another important aspect is all the users they can easily share, they can comment, and they can discuss library content, creating a more dynamic and engaged virtual community. And the social networking will help for promoting library services and resources. The social media enables libraries to promote their services such as workshops, webinars, or new resources, new services, or if you added new databases or journals, it will reaching to a large audience. By targeting specific groups, library can ensure that their posts reach the users who will be getting most benefited out of it. And social media networking will helping you to building a community, very strong community. It will foster a sense of community among users by providing a space for discussions, book reviews, and user-generated content. It supports the development of a collaborative environment where users feel connected and engaged with the library and one another. And it will also helping showcasing library events and activities. Libraries can document and share highlights from programs, lectures, exhibitions, and events, increasing visibility and participation. Next is the resource sharing and curation. Libraries can share academic articles, e-books, open access sources, research articles, and some research tips, allowing users to access valuable information outside the physical space of the library. If the library is providing such services through social media, not only the users of that particular library, but also the users of other libraries can also access the content. That way, we are sharing our resources to other users. And we can have a curated list of recommendations tailored to users' needs can enhance the research experience. The application of social media networking in libraries will also increase the visibility and reach of the library. This will expand the library's presence beyond its physical location, reaching users who might not have otherwise known about the library or its offerings or its services. By increasing their digital footprint, libraries can attract new patrons and stakeholders. Another important benefit is cost-effective marketing. Social networking provides a cost-efficient way for libraries to promote their services and programs compared to traditional marketing methods. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc., allow for targeted advertising to reach specific demographic groups. And it will also support for digital literacy initiatives. The next benefit is support for digital literacy initiatives. Libraries can use social platforms to promote digital literacy by offering tutorials, how-to videos, guidance on utilizing various data resources effectively. The next benefit is crowdsourcing feedback and ideas. Social media platforms allow libraries to gather user feedback, suggestions, and ideas for improving services, which will leading to more user-centric offerings and innovations. Through polls and surveys, libraries can tailor their resources and services to better meet the needs of their patrons. So, dear students, now let us see what are the social networking platforms being used in the libraries and information centers. The major social media networking platforms being used in the libraries are Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, ResearchGate, Academia, etc. So we will be having a detailed discussion on this use of this network in the libraries in the next session. So learners, today we can conclude this introductory part of social media networking. With this remarks, social networking platforms enable libraries to reach a broader audience, promote their resources and services, and build dynamic relationship with users. The leveraging tools like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, libraries can create virtual communities, support knowledge sharing, and encourage user feedback, thereby tailoring their services to meet evolving user needs. As libraries continue to evolve in the digital age, social networking offers an opportunity to reinforce their role as vibrant knowledge hubs, nurturing collaboration and ensuring equitable access to information in a connected world. So, with these words, I wish to signing off. I thank you, all of you, for your patience listening. We will be meeting in the next class with another topic. Thank you very much.